everyone, welcome to my channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Today we are going to discuss about how to use Jungle Scout or in which way the product may be hunted by Amazon. With many seller tools to choose from, we are glad you discovered Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is the healing all-in-one platform for finding, launching and selling products on Amazon and beyond. We provide sellers with advanced up-to-date tools, features and accurate data so you can make informed decisions about your Amazon business. If you are just starting your Amazon selling journey and not sure where to begin, you have come to the right place. I am sure the main question you have right now is, how do I use Jungle Scout? With the many features and functionalities of Jungle Scout, it can look a bit overwhelming to learn, but no matter where you are in your Amazon selling journey, Jungle Scout can support you and your business every step of the way. From product research to managing your inventory, we have got a tool for everything, and we will teach you all you need to know about how to use them. Follow along and you will have a perfect understanding of how our tools work and how they can help you find a profitable product to sell on Amazon. Here is what this article will cover. Keyword research with Keyword Scout and Rank Tracker. Find a supplier with supplier database. Optimize your listing with Listing Builder. Boost your rankings with review automation. Track your performance with Sales Analytics. Stay in stock with Inventory Manager. Offer deals with promotions. Stay up to date with alerts. Get historical product sales data with category trends. Now we come to know how to get a snapshot of your business performance. Jungle Scout's home dashboard now gives seller a quick status update on the performance of their business over the past week. With new sales widgets, sellers can see high-level metrics from the moment they are launched in such as total sales, total profit, units sold, ROI, net margin, and average sale price. They can even track the performance of PPC campaign without having to navigate sales analytics or seller central. Sellers can quickly see the performance of their business in real time. How to use Jungle Scout to find your first product. Product research is what Jungle Scout was originally built to tackle, and we continue to be the best at it to this day. Use Jungle Scout's advanced product research tools to guide you to your first private label product or your next bestseller. Product database opportunity finder extension. Most users who come to Jungle Scout for the first time are looking for a worthwhile product to sell on Amazon FBA. Let's go over how to use our product database tool so you can begin your research as soon as possible. How to use Jungle Scout's product database tool for products research. Product database is a searchable catalog of 475 million products pulled directly from Amazon. This allows sellers to discover products that match specific search criteria. Using product database is a great starting point when searching for profitable products to sell on Amazon FBA. For more details, you can see link given in the description. When signed into Jungle Scout on a desktop, you will see the navigation menu on the left hand side of your screen. This is where you can access all of Jungle Scout's features. Using product database category filters. Let's break this down. The category filter lets you select one or multiple products categories to reveal the kind of related products that are listed on Amazon. You can select as many as you wish. For this example, let's choose sports and outdoors and toys and games. Keep in mind that your search may bring up hundreds of results that could be overwhelming. To make this manageable, search through 1 to 2 categories at a time. The following additional filters available to you on the page. Don't hesitate to try them out. First of all, we see product tier, seller type, minimum and maximum sale price, minimum and maximum net price, minimum and maximum rank, minimum and maximum monthly sales, minimum and maximum revenue, minimum and maximum reviews, minimum and maximum star rating, minimum and maximum weight, minimum and maximum sellers, minimum and maximum listing quality score, date first available, include keywords, exclude top brands, excludes unavailable products. These filters are optional, so don't feel like you need to fill all of them out. We provide this option in case you want to narrow down your search even further. Keep in mind that the more filter you see, the more specific the search results will be. Let's do a sample search and say you are interested in selling products in the sports and outdoor category as well as the toys and games category. Now we see what other ways can you use Jungle Scout to research product ideas. While product database is an incredibly useful tool for product research, Jungle Scout also offers a couple of other tools you can use to find and evaluate your product ideas. Opportunity Finder helps you look into emerging trends and keywords with high demand and low competition so you can easily find profitable products. Use the preset categories and filters to guide you to a successful product that you can invest in. Extension is the most robust browser extension for Amazon sellers and is available for Chrome and Firefox browsers. This tool allows you to evaluate new opportunities, forecast product sales, and even request reviews from customers. Extension also helps you validate your product ideas by providing an opportunity score. Rank Tracker: once you find relevant keywords for your product using Keyword Scout, add them to Rank Tracker to track their performance and ranking over time. This tool gives you powerful insights on which keywords to focus on and which ones to scrap. Similar to Keyword Scout, you can also do a reverse ASIN search in Rank Tracker to discover keywords that influence your competitors' sales the most. This tool presents the organic and sponsored rank of your competitor keywords in an easy to view graph so you can quickly identify weak spots in your competitor's page rank. This is an important step in the product research process, so make sure you take advantage of this powerful tool to fully understand what you may be up against when launching your product. For more details, you can see link given in the description. How you find a supplier with supplier database. After conducting your product and keyword research, your next step is to find a reliable supplier for your product. Instead of sifting through thousands of potential suppliers online, the supplier database makes it easy for Amazon sellers to find reputable suppliers across the globe. This one of a kind tool also reveals exactly where your competitors source their products. Once you are in the tool, you can organize supplier codes, samples, purchase orders, and contact information. How you boost your rankings with Jungle Scout review automation. Building up your review count is one of the hardest things about selling on Amazon, especially on a newly launched product. Review automation automatically sends review requests to all of your customers, so you can both save time on manual requests and increase your chances of earning more reviews without having to think about it. The best part is it's all Amazon TOS approved. All you have to do is connect your seller central account to Jungle Scout and turn the feature on. It's a set it and forget it feature. For further details, you can see link given in the description. How you offer deals with Jungle Scout promotions. When you first launch a product on Amazon, it can be difficult to get the ball rolling with those for sales and reviews. With promotions, you can jumpstart the process by creating targeted promotional campaigns on Amazon. While reviews are not guaranteed, early sales will help increase your bestseller rank early on in the life of your new product. For more details, you can see the link given in the description. How you get historical product sales data with category trends. Category trends tracks the top 100 products of any category or subcategory on Amazon to help you identify which are the most lucrative. You can follow historical trend data to see how both market demand and specific products have performed over time. Category trends is integrated with all of our other tools so you can quickly track product ideas or jump right into keyword research once you have identified an opportunity. All in one platform for selling on Amazon for Jungle Scout. Once you know how to properly use our tools, you will be finding products in no time. We suggest spending at least 30 to 60 minutes a day researching products until you find something you want to pursue. Once you add some products to your product tracker, monitor the sales for at least 1 week so you can be sure a product you have your eye on sales consistently. Finally, with a Jungle Scout subscription, you also get access to our in-depth academy training videos so you can learn more about how to sell on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, then do like it and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So stay tuned with us and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.